In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to assess students in Fronter 19 and follow up on their results. In the previous Fronter, you could comment and set grades in assignments and tests. You could also connect goals to an assignment. The assessment was done in a text field, so the terms could differ between teachers. In the Goal tool, you could assess the student toward that goal as an overall assessment, not per assignment. This is now possible in Fronter 19. Let's take a look. In Fronter 19, you can use predefined assessment scales and learning objectives. Here's an example where we use both. When you create an activity, in this case an assignment, you define how you want to assess your students. First, I choose to add learning objectives. To do so, there must be objectives activated under the course settings. Learning objectives can be used in different ways, so you may want to ask your administration if and how learning objectives should be used at your school. Learning objectives can be standards that you want to align with the activity. If these contain achievement levels, you can assess each student individually toward them. You can also create new criteria by choosing the Manage Rubric function and adding criteria there. For each level, you can add a description to clarify. Now, I'll add an assessment scale. Fronter 19 comes with a set of predefined scales, but the school administrator can change these to fit your school's needs. If terms are activated in your course, the present term will be connected to the assignment. Now the students are answering the assignment and I'll assess one of them. First, I'll use the predefined assessment scale that I chose for this assignment. I'll choose Passed for this student. Then, I can assess toward the learning objective by Edit Rubric and find the criteria I added before. Click on a level to assess. In the Status and Follow-up menu, you'll find several reports. In the Assessment record, all activities with an assessment are shown. If you use terms in the course, you can filter by terms. You can add a new record here without creating an activity for it, which is perfect if you want to quickly assess a non-digital activity. If you use learning objectives as assessments, you can view the Learning Object Progress Report, where you can see student status and progress in different views. In the Alignment report, you'll see which learning objectives have been connected to plans and resources in the course. These are green, and you can click on an objective to see more details. As you get used to Fronter 19, you'll discover even more options. Wishing you the very best in your future assessments.